Tinubu jets off to UK amid lobbying for minister slots. President Bola Tinubu departed Abuja on Wednesday for the United Kingdom, where he will spend 2 weeks on a working holiday. This retreat comes at a time when pressure mounts from ministers keen on retaining their position in the anticipated cabinet reshuffle, along with intense lobbying from politicians seeking entry into the Federal Executive Council (FEC). The President's Special Advisor on Information and Strategy, Bayo Ononuga, stated that the holiday will serve as an opportunity for President Tinubu to reflect on his administration's economic reforms. The Guardian report suggests that he will also use this period to make final decisions regarding his new team and review security assessment on various politicians and technocrats who may be considered for cabinet positions. Ononuga hinted a potential reshuffle of the council during a briefing on September 25th. Although he refrained from disclosing a timeline for moving or dismissing ministers appointed in August of the previous year. Expectations were high that the president would submit the names of new appointees to the National Assembly for screening before Nigeria's 64th independence anniversary. Yet, this has not materialized. In an interesting twist, several lobbyists and their influential backers are expected to temporarily relocate to the UK to persuade the president of their competence in helping to implement his renewed hope agenda. A report from the President's Special Advisor on Policy Coordination and the Central Delivery Coordination Unit (CDCU) is anticipated to play a critical role in shaping decisions regarding the ministers, with many reportedly scoring below average in their performance. The Guardian reported on September 26th that the upcoming reshuffle could affect as many as 11 ministers and special advisors. In the light of these developments, the National President of the Committee for the Defense of Human Rights (CDHR), Debo Adeniro, urged President Bola Tinubu to focus on key performance indicators, public perception, and achievements when making final decisions about his cabinet. We will bring you real-time updates as this story unfolds. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.